Okay, so I just finished editing my video for my first ever drone experience using the DJI Neo. And for my first impression, I must say this is really a beginner-friendly drone, a family-friendly drone, and I crashed it a couple of times already and it's still alive. So yeah, I just want to share with you this video. We spent the entire afternoon at the park with our little boy, and that's where I can say that this is really a family-friendly drone, a beginner-friendly drone, because it is super easy to use. You can use this just with a drone only, using the built-in flight modes, and you can also use this with your phone, and you can even expand your capabilities and experience using the remote control if you're going to buy the Fly More combo. So yeah, it is super easy to use, super intuitive, and very convenient. Image quality is something that we can discuss further in the full review, but in terms of the intuitiveness, easy to use, lightweight, and all that characteristic, beginner friendly, like I said, the DJI Neo is a very compelling, especially for its price point. By the way, I'm also shooting this video using the DJI Action 5 Pro action camera, which I'm also going to review alongside with the DJI Neo. So if you're interested for those reviews, please consider subscribing. So without further ado, here's some sample shots using the DJI Neo and all the different shooting scenarios that you can take advantage using this tiny drone. Enjoy!